It was on Tuesday this week that the member representing Shelleng, Alhaji Abubakar Isa Shelleng, presented on the floor of the House the damage made on some villages in Shelleng local government as a result of a devastating windstorm during the week. The lawmaker informed the House although no life was lost as a result of the windstorm, it was disastrous as it affected houses and electric poles in the area. The House thereafter resolved that the matter be referred to the House Standing Committee on Rural Infrastructure and Community Development, who should liaise with the Adamawa State Emergency Management Agency to assess the level of damage for subsequent assistance. The affected places include Bode, Shelleng Town, Barata, Dalwa, Godong, Ketembere, Local Government Secretariat, Police Station, Local Government Education Authority, and a secondary school in Shelleng Town, among others. At the instance of the House of Assembly's resolution, Shelleng local government has sent a powerful delegation led by the head of service, Mr. Cletus Morio, to assess the damage and compile list of the affected houses and victims for onward submission to the government. We are appealing on government, Adamawa State Emergency Management Agency, as well as other agencies, to come to the aid of the victims, as the destructions done by the windstorm is severe. Mr. Morio therefore appreciated the effort of member Shelleng, Alhaji Abubakar Isa Shelleng, for timely presentation of the report on the windstorm on the floor of the House. Some victims spoke on the disaster. Abdullahi Ibrahim, 26 News.